Hey, what's up, everybody? It is John with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm in the downstairs unit of a fourplex here in New Orleans in the 7th Ward. Pretty cool little place. This one's been vacant since Katrina, so is the other downstairs unit. And the city now requires 7-foot ceiling requirement to be brought back into commerce to pass inspection. So I'm here, actually got my little laser measurer. I'm measuring the ceiling to floor. It's like right at 7 feet, not including the sheetrock that would be there. So it's gonna be a little tricky, but I'm gonna do some more due diligence. See the cobwebs over there, it's pretty gnarly. Yeah, just checking it out. I think we're gonna be able to help. The seller has owned it for quite a long time. He's getting a little older. He's just tired of managing it. Had some bad tenants recently upstairs that had to get evicted, and so now he's just ready to get rid of the whole thing. I want to see if we can make this thing into a functional fourplex again, so we can put 4 families in here and hopefully have some affordable housing for people. So if you have a house like this in any condition anywhere in South Louisiana, give us a shout. homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form for a free cash offer, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks. Talk to you.